Gioielleria Italiana is an innovative company that created a disintermediation in the production and distribution of precious jewelry made in Italy. We work in the B2B sphere. About Euromonitor, 90% of customers, when they want to buy a precious jewelry, they are going to buy it in the jewelry stores they trust in. So we help the jewelers to create their own collection of precious jewelry. How to do it? Simply having the access to our platform, each jeweler can customize over 200,000 different precious jewelry pieces. The jeweler can customize the piece that he wants, selecting the quality of the gemstones, the color of the gold, the size of the ring, the kind of the chain. So he can customize his own piece, and live he can see the value of each single piece that is changing every day depending from the value of the gold and the change between the US dollar and euro. We are participated from 2 different funds of investments. We have more than 100 partners. Most of them are jewelers that decided to be part of this innovation. We work with over 300 jewelers in Italy, and since this year we started to work also in Spain, in Croatia and in Greece.